Today I'm going to teach you how to make my lemon blueberry bread with my secret topping. You are going to love this recipe. Welcome to Food Crazed. To start, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we need to grease and flour an 8x4 by 2-inch loaf pan. Do this by spreading a little bit of butter on a clean paper towel and just rub it around the inside of the pan, making sure to get into the corners. Just sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour at the bottom of the pan. Now just tilt the pan and tap on it to make sure that the flour moves all around and coats the inside of the pan perfectly where we got the butter. Usually it's a good idea to just do it over your kitchen sink, and then you can just tap any of the excess flour out into the sink. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just fluff this with a fork. Zest 1 whole lemon over the flour mixture. Now just set the dry ingredients off to the side. We're going to take the lemon that we already zested, we're going to roll it around, and this is going to help to release the juice from the lemon as we juice it. To be on the safe side, to have enough lemon juice, you'll need about 2 lemons juiced for this whole recipe. In a small bowl, we need 1 egg. Then add 1 cup of milk. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our fresh squeezed lemon juice and just whisk this up. Now we need to incorporate our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. Let's go ahead and pour the wet ingredients over the top of the flour mixture and whisk this just until the batter is moistened. It should still be a little bit lumpy when you're done. Add 1 cup of blueberries. They can be fresh or frozen for this recipe, and gently fold them into the batter. Just pour this lemon blueberry batter into your prepared loaf pan. Bake this for 50 to 55 minutes. Let's make my secret topping. In a little bowl, add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and give this a little stir. We want to make this while the bread's baking, so it gives it time for the sugar to dissolve. Your bread is done when it's golden brown on the edges and a toothpick insert comes out clean. When the bread is fresh out of the oven, it's the time to top it with our lemon syrup that we made. Do this by spooning it over the top, or you could brush it on. Make sure the top looks nice and coated with this lemon syrup, and then go ahead and sprinkle some extra granulated sugar over the top. Then just repeat this process until you've used up all of the lemon syrup. I do this about 3 times. I think that this topping in particular takes this bread to a whole new level of awesomeness. You are going to love it. Everybody that eats this is just in love with this lemon bread. I'm just making sure I've gotten every little last drop of this lemon syrup on it because it is just the best topping. Let the bread cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before removing it from the pan to a cooling rack. You can even dust the sides of the bread with additional sugar if you want to. You can serve this bread warm or at room temperature. I know for us, it doesn't last very long in our house, and as soon as I've made it, everybody wants a slice. I am pulling out a slice to show you how wonderful this bread is, full of the blueberries, and it just comes apart like a piece of cake or a wonderful muffin. It's super moist, and just the texture and the lemon flavor with this is perfect, and the topping just takes it over the top. I hope you try this amazing lemon blueberry bread. I'll put a link down below in the description to the full recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another yummy recipe. Thanks again for watching.